In echinodermata, endoskeleton is of calcareous ossicles, hence the name echinodermata. All are marine, okay, all are marine, and adult one are radial, and but larva is bilateral, and digestive system is complete with mouth on the lower, that is ventral side, and anus on the upper, that is dorsal side, okay. And this is water vascular system which helps in locomotion, capture, transfer of food and respiration. Excretory system is absent, and here locomotion, capture and transfer of food and respiration, but the excretory system is absent. Sexes are separate, reproduction is sexual, and fertilization is usually external. This one is important, that fertilization is usually external, and development is indirect. There is a larva. And Asteriasis starfish, very important example, this one Asteriasis, this is the starfish, and this is Ophura is a brittle star. Okay, this one starfish, Ophura is brittle star. Antedon, sea lily, Cucumera and sea cucumber, okay, you can remember this. But this one Echinus sea urchin, Antedon sea lily, Echinus is sea urchin, okay. So you understand this point, okay. Here is also proboscis. I think it's a excretory organ, is a proboscis gland, and his collar and trunk. And in here, as I always say, that molluscus, in here, where is that point? Okay, in here they have the respiratory and excretory functions. These gills which are present in the space between the mental and the hump, that is the mental cavity, feather like gills which helps in respiration and excretion, and this radula, that is a feeding rasping like organ, is for feeding. So this is here. In arthropoda, the fertilization is usually internal, mostly oviparous. They are mostly oviparous. In here, arthropoda, the body consists of head, thorax and abdomen. Remember that, head, thorax and abdomen. But in case of frog, there is only head and trunk. In here, like head, where is the point? Head, thorax and trunk. They are head and trunk. You can see there is only head and trunk.